Okay, here we are. We have a new Segway X260 and the Sur X Black Edition for unboxing to see exactly what the difference is. We got the Segway about a week ago and just got the Sur just put together. The main differences right off the bat are the chargers. Here's the Sur charger.
You can see through and you can touch the fan.
You touch the fan on this one.
And you can touch the wires, so more accessible to fix, but it's more likely to...
Here's the Segway controller. Honestly, it feels a little heavier and it kind of looks a little sturdier. The fan's a little more compact. It's a smaller fan, but it just maybe seems nicer. So far it's worked good. Haven't charged Sur yet. The other big difference I noted on the whole video is that the little hub spacers weren't packaged as well in the Segway, and one was missing from the box. On the Sur, they were packaged well and zip tied to the front tire, and they were both there. The grips are different on the Sur, although I believe it's the same exact throttle. The Sur has a little kind of etch into the seat, which is cool. And the Segway has a similar seat, but the side's more of like a smooth rubber, and then it has Segway on the side. But it definitely is a different seat.
License plate too.
The other thing is the Sur comes with this little license plate, and the Segway doesn't come with a license plate there. The other biggest difference is obviously that the Sur doesn't have the app, so with the Sur you have to cut this little green and black wire right here, whereas the Segway,
no wire cutting neither. Wait, they use the same key?
Nope, different key. Hold on. Segway, there is no wire cutting. As you can see, it doesn't have that in the harness. Other difference is the keys.
This is the Segway key right here, and this is the Sur key.
The Segway came connected to the other one. We had to cut it. The Sur comes with a hole in the center, but they seem to be similar style keys.
But the thing is, these keys, different patterns. So if you couldn't take your Sur key and put it in your Segway, you have to have your Segway key.
Other difference we noticed was the Sur has this etched little X into the controller versus the Segway. Of course, this one's dirty because we're just riding around. Doesn't have it etched in the cooling fans, but I believe it's the same controller other than that. Another difference is on the Sur, the percentage for the battery is displayed right here from 0 to 100, but on the Segway only shows this full battery signal unless it gets under a 50%. Then it'll show from 0 to 50%. You have to go on the app to see what your actual percentage is. I don't believe we can figure anything else out that's different. Same shocks, same tires, same rims, same fenders, same chain. Sprocket on this one looks to be exactly the same. It's just this one is metal finish, and this one has the black matte finish on the Segway.
And then if there is any other differences, comment below.
Yeah, I'd like to know if there's any other mechanics wise differences, different components that I'm not seeing right off the bat. We're gonna have some good ride videos, father versus son. 11-year-old son gets a Segway, father gets the Sur. We're gonna do some motocross videos, some trail videos, and get an idea which one has some differences, and have fun with these bikes.